منتشا وتظل منتشا. So thank you very much second year students for celebrating this World's Teacher Day, but specifically I must say it's SAB's Teachers Day, because of course we are a part of world, we are a part of country, lekin we before there is a family. So SAB's family is celebrating together the SAB's Teachers Day. I don't know, I was very excited when these girls came to me yesterday and they gave me an invitation card. Or within that invitation card there was a puzzle. And in that puzzle it was a heart. हार्ट का एक छोटा सा पीस नहीं था और इन्होंने मुझे कहा कि मैडम ये लिफाफा खोले, इसके अंदर से कुछ निकलेगा, सो मेक अप अ पजल. So when I opened that envelope there was a small piece, and it was in fact a piece of that heart which I when fit into that heart. It made their day complete because they said that when you will be there with us tomorrow, so it will more of like a value addition. So thank you very much. Why blue and white? So I went to the website of UNESCO. मैंने कहा वहाँ जाकर देखते हैं कि whether they propose that white or blue theme this time, but I couldn't find any. So let me ask them why blue and white this year. हाँ बताएं, means why blue and white?
And because white shows the pureness and teachers who teach are the pure, and the blue shows confidence. So we always see the teachers as our mentors and inspiration, and they confidently teach us. So that's why.
Okay, and if there will be a color for students? So all the teachers, because teach them with confidence and purity, so they propose white and blue color. Thank you very much. But if I would ask teachers that which color you would like to dedicate to a student, कौन सा color दें students को? Yellow. And why yellow, sir? Green. अच्छा, let's talk about yellow and फिर green पूछते हैं. Okay, so if it's yellow, it's happiness and brightness, and if it's green, forever growth. So see, your teachers are proposing that you survive and grow forever like green color, and you remain bright and shining like yellow color. Thank you very much teachers. Thank you very much students for making all of us together, make us sit together. और आज मैंने सुबह सोनिया से पूछा मैडम why you are not blue, तो उन्होंने कहा मैडम मुझे पता नहीं था कि there is a theme, but I think she is a proposed bright girl today with us with a yellow dress wearing. तो येलो कलर भी हमारे पास हो गया. अब मैं ग्रीन ढूंढ रही हूँ लेकिन मुझे ग्रीन थोड़ा नज़र कम आ रहा है, लेकिन वी विल हैव ग्रीन सेशन ऑल्सो. तो ये याद रखिएगा, आपका असाइनमेंट है आपके टीचर्स की तरफ से कि हम ग्रीन कलर भी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे इंशाल्लाह फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रीन एंड येलो में भी. So in fact when we talk about it and we celebrate the Teachers Day, of course we understand the theme. It's not only a celebration, but it's about giving respect to your teachers. It's giving a value to your teachers. It's in fact recognizing that what they are doing for their students. We know that our parents are the basic mentors, and the basic mentorship starts from the homes. कहते हैं ना माँ की गोद से start होती है तरबियत. लेकिन when you reach to your schools, your teachers are your major mentors. क्यों? Because half of the day you are spending with them. फिर घर जाते हैं, of course you have been engaged in other activities, but the teacher is the one who guides you from the schools into the colleges and into the university. And when you reach your university, in fact you are at the verge of choosing your career. अपने career को choose करते हैं, and that point is in fact a shift into your entire life. इसके बाद आप अपना करियर देखेंगे, इसके बाद in fact you start thinking what do I really want in my life. Because you will get the skills, you will get the knowledge from those teachers, और वो teachers आपको बताते हैं कि once you are skilled, now you can really conceive which direction you are choosing, where you are going, and again if you have been moving from university to onwards, आपके पास मुख्तलिफ options open हो जाते हैं. You can be your own bosses, you can be the entrepreneurs, you can come up with your own startups, because skill is already there. Now you need to understand how to capitalize it. But then at the same time, few of you might not want to be the entrepreneurs. So few of you would like to go for master's degree programs, for PhD degree programs, because you further want to further grow your skill. ठीक है? So some may opt for your advanced studies, some may opt for the entrepreneurship, but some of you may opt to become a teacher. So कोई आप में से ऐसा भी होगा, मे बी अभी भी आई कैन सी, यूजुअली व्हाट वी डू, वी सी आवर टीचर्स एज आवर मेंटोर, बट रोल मॉडल की तरह भी देखते हैं. सो आई एम श्योर दैट देयर आर फ्यू ऑफ यू, फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स माइट बी थिंकिंग सिंस टुडे दैट टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ टीचर. सो ऐसे कोई हैं? नहीं नहीं, ये कौन था? वो कौन था? कौन था? नहीं नहीं, बच्चा तो खैर नहीं है, ये सारे ही बच्चे हैं. हम सारे ही बच्चे हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स द किड. एनीवे, सो मीन्स इज देयर एनीवन हु लाइक टू बी अ फ्यूचर टीचर? एनीवन वांट टू बी अ फ्यूचर टीचर? Maybe, yeah. Or anyone wants to be a future entrepreneur? So there is a shift. There is again a paradigm shift. So see, teachers are always required, but of course entrepreneurs are always required too, क्योंकि universities बनेंगी private sector में तो ही teachers को job मिलेगी. So now we need to think, so everything goes hand in hand. So again, I would say thank you very much for teachers to be here, to encourage you all, and we are together. Alhamdulillah, आप लोग हमारे बच्चे हैं. And we want you to see prosperous, we want you to see grow, we want you to flourish like this, भले फिर bright color में हो, yellow में हो, green में हो या blue में हो. So thank you very much and happy Teachers Day.